everyone needs transportation in easy way. There are many options that have appeared, especially in Indonesia, that based on online transportation. And we can meet eating everywhere, Grab, Gojek, and etc. So because of that, some people use online money to save their time.
What are you doing here? You look so confused.
Yeah, because I don't have cash and I just bring my ATM card.
So, what's the matter?
I want to go home, but like I have told you before,
I can lend you my money if you want.
I'm not just to use because we are using Gojek.
So, what can I help you?
Show me how to have Gopay because my sister did it for me, so I don't know the way.
Okay, let's go then. Insert your ATM card and then select the language. Wait for a little while and then insert your PIN. After that, click other menu and then click payment and then other payment and then click top up Gopay and then insert the customer code, which is 301351 with your phone number. After that, click through and then insert the amount of the payment that you want. Example, like 50,000. After that, click correct. And then after this one is appear, click yes. Saving account. And then if you don't want to make any transaction, please click no.